morning. I look like I've been out in a storm. It's just me this morning. I just dropped off the kids. Andrew's feeling under the weather, so he's not in the office. Let's see, what am I doing today? Well, because he's under the weather, I can't actually film on my lifebook lesson, which is a bit annoying. I made a really good start last week. I kind of divided the lesson into several parts. There'll be like face to camera stuff, which I haven't done yet, but I was starting to do the overhead filming and I finished the first part, and now I just still need to film the second part of that. But it was going well, and I'm feeling a bit more confident. Like, I always just feel so insecure before I start, and then once I get into it, I'm like, yeah, I can do this. Like, this feels good. So that's just the way it is. Then overnight, I got a big order, a big shop order. So I'm going to be packaging that this morning and getting that out. I also finally got organized and got all my aunt's presents, who lives in Holland, sorted. So that I need to like do some final wrapping and put that in the post. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it will be there in time. Last year it got stuck in a mist container and I think it arrived in February. It was so late and so missing that I actually sent all the presents again, and basically both arrived. So let's hope that doesn't happen this time. What else? Gonna have some breakfast. Got choir tonight. That's the final rehearsal before the concert on Thursday. So, fun. Mostly fun, to be honest. A bit nerve-wracking. I wouldn't normally think that the concert was nerve-wracking, but because of the solo, I do feel quite nervous. And also just because of the whole COVID situation. One of my best choir friends, her boyfriend has COVID, and then she tested positive, and even though she's asymptomatic, she obviously will not be able to do the concert, and it really sucks. And so it's kind of like, we're just all holding on, hoping that nothing is going to happen to make things even worse. That's what's going on today, right now, this morning. I'll talk to you later.
Oh look, my order from Pure Pens came.
This is still the continuation of the waterproof ink saga. Some people gave me some recommendations, and specifically someone recommended Pure Pens as a way of ordering pens and ink in the UK. So I'm gonna just open that. Look at that. That is a hefty bottle of ink. Head for scale. I also got a sample. They do samples of their of the Noodler's bulletproof inks. I got a sample of the 54th Massachusetts ink sample. It's kind of like a darkish blue. Basically, what was the thing was that they don't recommend Noodlers for waterproof ink that you're going to do watercolor washes on top of. And because that is specifically what I want to be doing in my Hobonichi, I actually went for their recommended range called the Atramentis document ink. But then I did have Noodlers recommended by several of you who also do bullet journaling, Hobonichi journaling, whatever. So I thought, okay, I'll just get a sample and at least I can try out how that acts with regards to adding stuff on top. That would be exciting to try. I'm really tempted to get another Lamy fountain pen so that I can have one for my waterproof ink and another one just for regular ink. I don't know. I want all the stationery. I want all the pens.
Big order going out. Postcards, stickers, a couple of freebies. And this is my last hand-painted tote bag. So those are all sold out now, which is pretty cool.
I have more gessoed tote bags upstairs, but I haven't done anything with them. I might paint some more, but I'm not really feeling that at the moment. I'm really still itching to make some junk journals, and I keep collecting more papers and stuff, so I really look forward to that. Don't know about the tote bags. That might just be something that gets kind of like moved into the new year. But having said that, I still have quite a few of my mood tote bags available.
That's these. I actually have one that I held back. I use this one myself, and I have spotted Andrew using it for shopping as well.
That's my COVID booster jab sorted. I just got the text message to say that I could book it, so that's pretty cool. I could book it for tomorrow, but I'm not gonna risk it just in case I have side effects. I don't want to spoil my chances of performing in my choir. It's gonna be Saturday, yay. Boosted in time for Christmas. Not that the antibodies start like being generated until like several weeks later, but never mind. It's all good. Never been so excited about being poked in the arm. Wow. It's what is it? It's evening. I have to really quickly do the kids' lunch, and then I have to stuff some dinner in my mouth and be off to choir, because that is what Monday nights are. And I was just at my computer editing this vlog to get a head start on it. I might try and do a bit of recording at choir. It's always a bit difficult because obviously I don't want to get other people's faces in, and so it's just shoes really. And also I gotta be concentrating, yo, because I need to, like, you know, it's the last rehearsal. And we're rehearsing with the band. Oh, I'm so excited. And now I'm like really stressed because I have to motor and be on time. So I'm gonna do that, and I will see you later. Are you purring, Teak? Oh, you're so cute. Did you miss me, Teak? Did you miss me? I'm back home. I did not have a chance to film anything at choir rehearsal because it was like pretty go, like the final rehearsal before the final rehearsal, which will be just before the show. Anyway, was I saying that thing about like, oh, I'm really nervous, but we're gonna, like, about the solo, but we're gonna be singing in turn, so I'll be okay. And then it turns out I'll be the one singing first. So I'm really like, okay, actually I'm not super nervous now, but I'm like, I think I'm probably just gonna have an out-of-body experience on Thursday. I will go to the church and forget my dress. I will forget my head. It's gonna be interesting. Anyway, I'm tired because it's late. It's 10:10 right now, but I'm also wired. The rehearsal was challenging. It was in a room where I could not hear other people. I mean, I could hear other people. I couldn't really like hear properly, and I couldn't hear myself. So it was like 2 hours of singing, hoping that my muscle memory knows what the right notes are, because I just couldn't hear what I was doing. Anyway, it was still fun. I love singing. I love singing with my choir. Oh, and oh my god, my friend Eleanor, who watches, hi Eleanor, she went to Holland over the weekend and she got me this. Like, oh my god, look. Okay, this is a bag. This bag is a decoy. It's not about the bag. She got me Muntrop. She got me Old Timers. She got me Salmiak Rondo's. And she got me Tickles. That's a friend. That is a friend and a half. That it was just It was the best thing ever. Anyway, I'm gonna close out this vlog. There is no art in this vlog, is there? Because I couldn't get to my art desk and do anything today. But hopefully tomorrow. Okay. I will see you in the next one. Bye!